In this video, I'll show you how to remove and redo reconciliation in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the sixth option, which is accounting. Now, below accounting, you want to head over to the banking section. And down below, you want to click on the first option, which is bank accounts. Now, once you are on the bank account section in here, you want to simply head over to the bank account in which you want to remove and redo a reconciliation. Now, this will be my business bank account. So simply head over to that bank account. On the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And from here, you want to head over to the Find column, and at the bottom, click on Account Transactions. Once you do that, you'll be taken to your bank account under the Account Transactions tab. And from here, you want to head over to the exact bank transaction in which you want to remove and redo the reconciliation. So as you can see here, I have Swanston Security. On the right-hand side, the status is set as reconciled. In order for you to remove and redo this, simply click on that bank statement line. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the transaction or the payment section. From here, you want to head over to the top and right corner. You will see a button for options, so simply click on it. And once you do that, at the bottom, you will have an option to remove and redo. Now click on remove and redo. Once you do that, it will automatically say that the account transaction has been removed. You can now redo this transaction on the Reconcile tab or by adding a payment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.